morning, Ms. Micaela. I've called this meeting to discuss our recruitment and selection process. And we have a new position to fill. And I want for both of us to be on the same page. And we are doing the interview through Google Meet. If the applicant is far away from our office to conduct the interview.
Absolutely, HRM. We'll start by defining the job requirements and responsibilities, correct?
Yes, that's the first step. Once you have a clear job description, we'll post it on various job boards and our company website.
And in the meantime, we can also start sourcing potential candidates from our existing database and through networking.
Correct. Once we have a pool of candidates, we'll start the screening process.
And that involves reviewing resume and cover letters and conducting initial phone interviews, right?
Yes. The goal is to shortlist candidates who best meet the job requirements. Those candidates will then proceed to the interview stage. I'll conduct in-depth interviews to assess the candidate's skills, experience, and cultural fit. And don't forget about the possible second round of interviews or practical tests depending on the position.
Of course, once we've narrowed down our candidates, we'll conduct reference checks and potentially a background check.
And finally, once we've made a decision, we'll extend a job offer to the chosen candidate. If the candidate accepts, we'll complete the necessary paperwork and plan for their onboarding.
Okay, Sharon, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hello, applicants. I'm Micaela, one of the HR personnel. Thank you for choosing our company. The HR manager will conduct the interview for one of you, and now let's start the interview.
Hi, I'm Joy. I will interview both of you. First, can you please introduce yourself and tell us a bit about your professional background?
Generally, my name is Ampelo Tapia. I have a bachelor degree in administration. And I have 5 years over 5 years experience in a project of management, especially in this the IT sector.
How about you, Ms. Kayla Marie Tabuada?
Hi, I'm Kyla Marie. I have a degree in computer science. I've been working as a software engineer for the past 6 years. I jumped into the position because I aligns with my skills and career goals. I'm particularly interested in your company because focus on innovation and growth.
Why should we hire you? First, Mr. Juan Piodo Tapia.
You should hire me because I bring a great combination of skills, experience, and strong work ethic that will enable me to make valuable contribution to your team. I'm passionate about the role of committed to delivering of exceptional roles.
And Ms. Kayla Marie, why should we hire you?
You should hire me because I know how to work under pressure. I have multitasking skills that will help you so much with the company. I can handle a time management, and I assure you that I will be asset of the company for the near future.
Thank you, Mr. Juan Piolo and Ms. Kayla Marie. You have both an excellent qualification and skills. We appreciate your interest in our company, but we have only one position left as an operational manager. Congratulations, Mr. Juan Piolo Tapia. You are hired and we are going to proceed in contract signing and job offer. Thank you for both of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, Mr. Juan Piolo. I'm Micaela, one of the HR personnel, and I would like to congratulate you because you got the position as operational manager. We are going to proceed the job offer and contract signing. We will send the contract to your email account and the list of requirements that you need to comply.
Thank you for the opportunity. I'm thrilled to hear that I have be looking forward to joining your team.
That's great to hear. We were impressed with your qualification and believe you would be a valuable addition to our organization. Before we proceed, I would like to discuss the terms of the job offer and go over the employment contract.
Of course, I'm ready to discuss the details. Please go ahead.
Firstly, let's talk about the salary. We are offering a starting salary of 30,000 per month. This includes benefits such as health insurance, paid time off, and retirement plans. Next, let's discuss the working hours. The standard working hours for this position is from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday. However, there may be occasional overtime or weekend work. Weekend work required depending on project deadlines. Moving on to the probationary period, we have 6 months probationary period for new employees. During this time, we will assess your performance and suitability for the role. After successful completion of the probationary period, you will be considered as a permanent employee. Lastly, let's discuss the terms of the employment contract. We will provide you with detailed contract that outlines your rights, responsibilities, and other important terms and conditions of your employment. Please review it thoroughly and let us know if you have any questions or concerns.
Yes, I will. Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. We will be in touch soon. Have a great day.